our next contestant, Nguyễn Nhật An from O2B, presenting about My Best Friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Nhật An. I'm 7 years old. I'm in class 212 at K-Rock International School. Today, I would like to talk about my friend, Apple. He's also 7 years old, and we became friends when we were in first grade at NDT school. Apple and I are alike in some ways. We both tall and thin, and he has really nice black hair and interesting eyes. But what really drew me to Apple was that he's a funny and friendly person. He's the kind of person I enjoy being with. What makes Apple even more amazing is that he's kind and likes to help others. He often shares toys with me, and I really appreciate that. One of my best memories with Apple was when we went to TV World, which is a fun indoor place in Hanoi. We had great time climbing, played basketball, played in the pool, and running around on the soccer field. It was really fun. I remember a time when we played soccer at school. I was a goalkeeper and I was really nervous. But Apple was there to cheer me on, and every time we scored a goal, he'd run over to celebrate with me. It made me very happy. Apple isn't just a friend to me. He's like a brother. He's very important to me, and I feel lucky to have him as my friend. I'm thankful for all the good times we've had and for his support. In conclusion, having a friend like Apple makes life more fun. It's like having a special friend like that we hold dear forever. I hope all of you have a great friend like Apple in your life. Thanks for listening to my story about my best friend. Goodbye.
Okay, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher Sarah.
Wow, you know me. Okay, how are you?
I'm good today.
Okay. Who's your mentor? Mentor in the speaking, in your speech.
Teacher Ina.
Wow, teacher Gina. Okay, so in your mom, I think so. Speech. Okay, so here's your question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your question is, where did you have a good time playing, climbing, and running around?
We had a good time climbing, running, and playing in the pool at City World at Hanoi.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, and you're very good. Okay, now, so another question is this. Where did you have, what is the name of your best friend? And can you tell something about him?
The best friend name is Apple. He's 7 years old. He's kind and likes to help others. He has a black hair and interesting eyes.
Okay. Thank you for a well-prepared speech. Nice one. And here's your question. What are two things you both enjoy doing together?
We both enjoy reading books, playing chess, and having fun playing soccer.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much.